Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm so excited because my last few videos mentioning fwee went crazy. I'll link them above so you can check them out. They are having a moment. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing the colors in the Cola collection. This new collection also comes in 30% and 70%, so you can choose from the one you prefer. I'm obsessed with them, number one. Number two, I have it on right now. Number three, they have some different ones that I want to show you and compare and tell you why they're different, but they literally sold out this product in Ulta in 10 days. It is flying off the shelves. People are loving it, and for good reason. There's so much to love about this. It literally has every element in a lip product that I want. Not sticky, high shine, has good pigment. It's perfect. So for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, make sure you add this to the cart quickly before it sells out. Demonstrate what it looks like on me and what other occasions. So although I'm a low contrast, lighter skin, natural, no makeup girly, there are times, especially for fall and winter, where I want to like glam up my look. I'm going to demonstrate that and how I would switch it up from basically day to night. The first product I'm going to be starting with is Cherry Cola 30%. It's definitely more sheer on the lightweight side for the everyday look. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like on. If you're a low contrast girly like me with lighter spring colors, don't let the color of the bottle fool you, because this is what the payoff looks like. It's very natural, lightweight. It's not sticky at all. I have such a huge collection of lip product, and some of them are too sticky, some of them are too tacky, some of them have like terrible fragrance. This is the perfect combination of all the things I love, price that I love. So this is the look I would go for on a normal everyday basis. I think it's really cute and natural. Wouldn't necessarily elevate it too much with this makeup. I don't usually love to reach for a gloss that has no pigment at all for touch-ups to throw in my bag. I like having a little bit of gloss, a little bit of color in the gloss to just liven me up without having to like whip out a lip liner and line my lips while I'm like talking to somebody. You ever have to do that? You just like add your little gloss, it adds the pop of color, and it's literally perfect. It just reminds me of that like cherry cola drink I used to have. I actually still drink the poppy version. If you guys know, like the less sugar, more probiotic vibe, love it. Actually like Coca-Cola, it's so good. I'm gonna move right into Dirty Cola 30% just to show you the color difference. It's a little bit more on that brown side. So this is the 30% of Cherry Cola, and this is the 30% of the Dirty Cola. Definitely darker, and the bottle does have a darker hue to it, so you can tell. Very lightweight. It doesn't look like it has much color at all, but it is a very nice faded hue. It's like hydrating on my lips and not sticky at all. It like feels like it's actually hydrating. Have you ever had ones that you put on and it doesn't feel like it's actually going to moisturize your lip? You almost need to bring a chapstick as well, or a lip mask as well. It feels like a lip mask, a chapstick, a lip gloss, and a tint and a liner all in one. I think for me, being lighter, I would go with the Cherry Cola, but I don't necessarily think that I prefer one or the other more. That's just a personal preference. If you're somebody who maybe you are lighter skin, lighter like me, but you want to glam up, go out for the night, you're gonna try out 70 and see what it looks like, because sometimes you can really pull it off. If you're somebody with a higher contrast, meaning lighter skin, darker hair, more of a contrast in your colors, you can handle more makeup. You look better when you add more contrast to your skin, if that makes sense. I'm gonna take off the 30 and put on the 70. This is Dirty Cola 70%, and this is Cherry Cola 70%. So this is the 70% Cherry Cola. It's also very buildable, so you can literally layer this as much or as little as you want. Bolder, higher shine, this is the 70%, and I think it honestly, it looks good, but because my eyes are so light, my makeup is so lightweight, I feel like if I amped it up a little bit, it would make this look so much better. So let me just switch into night mode. I think it looks so good and pulled together and classy. Like, I'm not mad at this lip. I feel like it is eye-catching. I think it's bold. I think it complements a nice evening look. It just goes to show that it just depends on the right outfit, the right eyeliner, the right blush, and you get the perfect lip color every time. Think of these lips like sweet and fuzzy. The colors are so approachable, but also really like deep and sexy. Now we're gonna try out the Dirty Cola. And the difference is that Dirty Cola next to Cherry Cola has that mauve red, versus Dirty Cola, as you can imagine, is a little bit more on that brown side. Welcome to night mode. This is what it would look like if I actually put on eyeliner, a little bit more blush, and obviously a blazer for night look, hair up. This is definitely more of that like glam finish, and it makes your lips pop but also complement the deep colors and the deeper in your eyes and the eyeliner. So you literally could get away with whatever color you want to do. If you want to do 30, you want to do 70, it just depends on where you're going. And that wraps up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait for you to go and check out these products from fwee. So don't forget for the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale to get this because it will blow your mind. Cola Gloss will be 20% off Cyber Monday Black Friday sales. All other products from fwee will be 59% off, which is crazy. Above again, I'm gonna link it, the video about my blushes and how crazy they were and the texture. I highly recommend getting some of those, obviously, as they're on sale. Thanks for watching, happy shopping, and I'll see you guys in the next one.